The required materials are shown above. When the arm is folded, the nozzle fixing seat and the front end should be aligned with the J100 rotating part hinge for proper positioning. Secure with 4 hex socket head bolts M4x14, along with 4 anti-loosening nuts M4 to lock in place for both the upper and lower sections of the nozzle fixing seat. During installation, make slight adjustments to the mounting bracket position until it's perfectly level with the ground. Repeat the same process for the other side. Secure with 4 hex socket head screws M4x6. Nozzle shock absorption mounting bracket. Repeat the same process on the other side. Thread the left arm nozzle adapter through the nozzle shock absorption mounting bracket. Then attach it to the nozzle. Secure the nozzle and nozzle shock absorption mounting bracket. Using for shoulder bolts for 2 for M3 specification. Measure 6 segments from the long end of the corrugated water pipe. Trim away the excess length. Cut the opposite smooth end of the corrugated water pipe to half its original length. Use a corrugated water pipe nut to join the smooth end of the short side. Tighten the electromagnetic valve connection using a wrench. Connect the solenoid valve wiring harness and route it through the nozzle fixing seat. Fasten the solenoid valve in place. Secure with 4 M3x6 hex socket head screws. Secure the water pipe and adapter together with tape. Ensure the taped section is long enough to wrap around the landing gear. Fasten the water pipes and wiring harnesses with 2 large cable ties to the position as illustrated. Route the water pipes and wiring harnesses through the landing gear. Route the wiring harness out through the inner side of the arm. For final cable harness routing, please follow. Attach the T-connector using 2 corrugated water pipe nuts, connecting both new and old corrugated water pipes. Repeat all previous steps for the opposite side. Unscrew and remove the fastening screws on the battery terminals. Mount the negative wiring harness by securing it with the screws. Guide the right arm positive wiring harness through the cable raceway to the positive terminal. Thread the left arm negative wiring harness through the cable raceway to the negative terminal. Remove the securing screw from the outermost right wire of the negative terminal. Mount the left arm negative wiring harness in this position. Mount the positive wire harness from the left arm in this position. Connect the right arm's positive wiring harness to this position. Neatly arrange the wires to prevent tangles, crosses, or crimps. Unplug the M3 labeled connector. Connect the left arm nozzle adapter wires with the connector. Insert the M3 tagged wires into the connector. Repeat the steps for adapter's far end, then tuck it into the armhole. Reorganize the wires. Detach the M4 tagged connector. Connect the wiring harness of the right arm nozzle adapter cable to the disconnected harness. Insert the M4 labeled wiring harness into the connector. After connecting the other end of the adapter cable to the disconnected harness, fold it and tuck it into the armhole. Secure the M4 labeled wiring harness to the illustrated terminal using a large cable tie. Reinstall all 8 screws on the battery's positive-negative terminals. Fasten the new water pipe to the adapter using a cable tie. Next, secure the new water pipe to the landing gear with a cable tie. Lastly, fasten the old water pipe to the support rod fixing seat on the landing gear using a cable tie. Cut away any protruding cable tie ends. Repeat the steps on the opposite side. Put the water tank in place. Secure the T-connector and water tank pipe with 2 small cable ties. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Lastly, join the spray line with the 205 spray line and cover them with rubber boots.